And these elements of worship is in the womb of the Blessed Mother Mary. The womb inside of the Blessed Mother Mary, sino yun? Si Jesus. Anong titulo niya? He is the bread of life, He is the Word of God, and He is the priest. So itong tatlo, nasa tiyan ni Mama Mary, yung titulo ni Jesus, makikita natin sa simbahan. At ang tawag natin kay Mama Mary, He is the Ark of the New Covenant, because the Old Covenant, yung bitbit ng mga Hudyo, yung malaking box ba, nandun ang presensya nyo, nandun ang cherubim. Ano ang laman sa box, sa covenant box? Kung kundi araw, pagkakari, mana, the bread of life, Jesus Christ. Hello. At nandoon ang dalawang, yung tipan, yung Testament, the Old Testament, the